Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Shiksha Education Consultancy. And with you, I'm your friend and host, Amin. The topic on which we are going to discuss on today's video is eligibility guidelines for Indian students wanting to pursue MBBS degree among the top countries overseas. Means, what are the qualities that an Indian student must have to carry to get admission on MBBS course in various medical colleges worldwide outside India. So to know all this elaborately, don't go anywhere. Just keep watching this video till the end. First of all, we are going to start with the rules and the regulations. That means the eligibility guidelines for Indian students. Now, rule number 1. The student is required to have attained the age of 17 years on 31st of December of the year he is pursuing his admission. There is no upper age limit to apply for MBBS abroad. Means you must have to complete the age of 17 years on 31st of December of the current year. You are going to take admission for the particular course. That means the MBBS course. Rule number 2. In rule number 2, we will discuss about the academic requirements. The very first requirement that comes under academic requirements is the student must have to complete his 10+2 from a recognized board. That means the student who is going to take admission on MBBS course, he or she must have to pass out 10+2 or the 12th standard from a recognized board. And the second requirement which comes under academic requirements is the student must have an aggregate percentage of at least 50% or above in physics, chemistry and biology and must have studied English as a compulsory subject during his 10+2 years. That means the students must have to carry at least 50% of marks in physics, chemistry and biology and must have to study English as a compulsory subject during 10+2 classes. Rule number 3. Students are also required to qualify the national eligibility cum entrance test, that is in short NEET. This is mandatory even if the student is planning to pursue his medical studies abroad. Means the student who is wanting to get admission in MBBS course, that may be inside India or maybe outside India, he must have to score the qualifying marks in national eligibility cum entrance test. Rule number 4. The candidate would also be required to produce an eligibility certificate issued by the Medical Council of India at the time of admission to foreign medical universities. But on basis of guideline of 2018, it is declared that the student doesn't need any certificate from Medical Council of India if he or she has scored the qualifying marks on NEET NEET examination. Okay, let me explain these lines elaborately. If a student from India who is wanting to take admission in MBBS course outside India, it was a mandatory or a necessity to have a certificate from Medical Council of India. But as per the guideline which came out on 2018, it is not necessary now to have a certificate from Medical Council of India if the student has scored a qualifying marks on NEET examination. Now we are going to discuss about the medical requirements. In medical requirements, you should have to fulfill just only one requirement, and the requirement is candidate would be required to submit a medical certificate at the time of admission stating that the applicant is not suffering from any contagious diseases. Means the student who is going to take admission in medical colleges outside of India, he or she must have to provide a medical certificate during the admission stating that he or she is not suffering from any deadly disease. And finally, we are going to discuss about the examination requirements. In examination requirements, the first requirement that we have is on March 2019, an order passed by the Medical Council of India made it mandatory for all Indian students wanting to study MBBS abroad to appear for the National Eligibility cum Entrance Test. The candidates should note that the upper limit of age for appearing in NET examination is 25 years for general candidates and 30 years for SC, ST, OBC candidates. And the NEET score valids just for a period of 3 years. As I told you before, that you must have to carry qualifying marks on NEET examination to take admission in MBBS course that may be inside India or maybe abroad. There was a rule for NEET stating the limitation of age to appear on NEET examination as for general candidates the upper age limit was 25 years and for the SC, ST and OBC candidates the upper age limit was 30 years. There has been an FIR on Delhi High Court claiming the limitation of age to study MBBS course, and after that the Supreme Court of India issued an order stating that each and every student of various age categories are allowed provisionally to appear on NEET examination until the final decision has not come. And with that, it was also stated that the marks you scored on your NEET examination remains valid just for 3 years after the examination. Lastly but not the least, now we are going to discuss about a particular rule which is an optional rule and only essential for some of the countries in the world. That rule is candidates wanting to pursue medical studies abroad could also be required to appear for an English proficiency test to prove their knowledge of the English language depending on the English language requirements of the university. The candidates can opt for TOEFL, IELTS, TET or OET. Means there may be an examination to check your knowledge on English language to get admission for some of the particular medical colleges in some particular countries. As I told you before that this rule valids for some particular countries only, not for each and every country of the world. So guys, that much on today's video. If you are interested to get admission in MBBS course in India or in abroad and you have lots of questions and queries regarding that, just check the description box of this video. There you will get the link of the official website of Shiksha Education Consultancy. Just visit it or contact to the number given right here. We'll meet you all very soon with a new video on a different topic. Till then, be happy, keep smiling and live the life. Thank you.